Test drive 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, xenon headlights, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.